Hello everyone, my name is Ken, and this video is part of the Blackboard LTI integration series. In particular, this video will cover installing and configuring TestOut as an external tool provider within Blackboard. I'm logged into Blackboard, and I'm logged in as an administrator. I've already navigated into System Admin, Building Blocks, Tool Providers, and you can see I have a list of tool providers here within my instance. To create yourself as a tool provider, you'd want to click Register Provider Domain. And at this point, you'd satisfy some various fields. Now to illustrate, if I may, I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to go into a previously configured tool provider named TestOut.com. Now I'm in the edit mode, and you can see the provider domain is www.testout.com. The domain status is approved. Scrolling down a little, you can see set globally is set as the default configuration. You'll provide a tool provider key and also a tool provider secret. And there are two custom parameters I'll ask you to enter into this field. LabSim allow outcomes equals true. And that turns on scoring, so your students can return their score to Blackboard from TestOut. And then LabSim underscore class underscore ID equals at context underscore title. This will send the Blackboard course name to our database, which will allow it to be used as a class name within your instructor LabSim account. And finally, down under organization policies, send user data. Generally, that's going to be over any connection. The user fails to send, check all of those boxes, and then you can say no to this last question here. And that should be a wrap as far as things that you'd need to specify within this area of Blackboard. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on cancel there. There are two other things that you're going to want to check within Blackboard just to make sure LTI tool availability is turned on and otherwise available. Again, under System Admin, you're going to navigate into Tools. And from within Tools, you're going to want to do a Control F and simply search for LTI. You can see LTI is here. You have Course Tool, Department Tool, and Content Type. You simply want to make sure that each one of these is turned on. Now on the course level, I'm just going to pop into Camera Course here, and I need to go down into my control panel area. Specifically, I need to go down into Customization, and then I need to go into Tool Availability. Within Tool Availability, I scroll down to where I can see LTI and LTI link. And you simply want to make sure both of these are available, as you can see they are here. And that's how you set TestOut up as an external tool provider within Blackboard. I certainly hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a bunch for watching. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.